Have you ever think about creating motion graphics? But maybe you don't have time or money to buy and learn new applications? Not anymore. Did you know that you can create amazing motion graphics using only Adobe Photoshop? Don't believe me? Let's see some projects you will do in this course using Adobe Photoshop. All of that plus dozens of other projects. This course will give you the necessary skills needed to create motion typography. The art of making words come to life. Join me, I am Aziz Abri, and I will walk you through this wonderful adventure. This course is a project-based. You will learn step by step. Start by learning the basics. Scale, rotation, position, and warp. Then learn more advanced techniques like physics and motion shapes. Included with the course is the complete projects file from all lessons, so you can follow along with the same exact projects that I am using. And in addition of all of that, you will get for free 100 of sounds, effects, and dozens of motion shapes to help you to create the best art you can. Take your design skills to the next level. Start creating high-quality animation using only Adobe Photoshop. So what are you waiting for? Take this course now. I can't wait to see you inside and help you along the way. Thanks a lot and see you inside.